just got down here to the Fox River in Voyager Park in De Pere, Wisconsin. Just got down here to the river. It's pretty muddy. I highly doubt I'm gonna be able to see anything in here, so I don't know if I'm gonna dive or not, but I'm gonna do some fishing today. I'm here with 906 Hog Slayers, and we'll see what we can catch today. That's gross. Let's go dive in that stuff. Yummy.
You gave me a rough time because I was always the first one out of here.
All right, nice meeting ya.
Take care.
I tied my rope in there. That one. Send it. Can you feel it on there? Oh, there's a couple on there. Yeah, I can't see nothing. It's just pure dark. Oh. Thanks. That's cool. That's a good load right there. He's all tied up. Let's cut him out. A big barrel down here. Some in circles. Yeah, there's no sense of direction. I got a mess going on. I'll be sick for 5 days now. Oh, I'm gonna have worms. I know.
You want me to try to keep that somewhat tighter or looser, or does that matter?
Try a little tighter so it's not going all over the place. Oh, yuck. Can't believe I swallowed that water. Send it. Oh, my pliers are stuck on it. Hold on. Everything's stuck on it. I'll swim back with you. Go ahead. Look at that. Wow.
Stack it up.
I had to cut my rope. I'm too tangled up. Go ahead and pull. There's a lot down there, but it's spread everywhere.
Yeah, you were pretty much even with that group of trees. Yeah.
I make more than that. But I just gotta be able to think clearly. The colder you get, the less you can think.
Is that a fishing pole?
Where?
Yeah, did that grab?
Nice. Thanks.
Ooh, you're wrapped up in fire here.
Okay. Just finished the dive with the help of Tyler here, James, Janae, and Ryan. Thank you guys all for your help. Appreciate it. I'm done for the day. Freezing, but we got a lot of line lures out here. James James says that this one's his. We've heard that before many times. Got a little fishing rod out of here. Good day. Still a little fish in here. Come on, hook up, let's go. There we go, buddy. Yeah, get it. Gonna eat tonight. Oh, son of a gun! Did we want to pull your way? I thought I had a big one. I haven't had this much line out in a long time. Thank you. Sorry about that. It's the most action I've gotten in a couple years. What? This 7.5 foot rod? 9. Tight lines, baby, tight lines. Got it in the mouth, eh? There we go. In the mouth. .906 Hog Slayer. Look at that guy. Look at that beaut. Nice. Too bad I didn't catch one. I just caught somebody else's line. But we gotta head home now. Hope you enjoyed the video today.
That's pretty neat.